with NiqueNaturalTM. Welcome back, girl. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what we're doing. Today's video is going to be about the Boxy charm. Shout out to Teresa for sending me the Boxy charm box. And y'all already know I was nosy, so I went ahead and opened it and been fumbling through this. We're going to do the full face using the whole Boxy charm subscription. So yes, so I'm going ahead and moisturize. And what I'm going to moisturize with, oh wait, before I don't know what you thought this was. Go ahead and click that like button, honey, and go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, before I give you the tea, honey, go ahead and commit what you thought this was. Anyway, I love that it gives you a description, a breakdown of how much each product costs. Do know that these products are like, the Boxy charm subscription is $21 a month. I mean, you can get one item out of here for $21, but you get like $100 worth of stuff for just $21. First, we're gonna try out the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this smells so good. So I'm gonna need some of this now because I already took my shower, and you know I have combination to dry skin, and you know when you got all this melanin, honey, you just gonna have to oil up anyway. So let me go ahead and get this. You know I'll put a little bit on my face. Yeah, so moving on. So we have a waterproof eyeliner pencil, Jante Blue, and I put this on my lip before, so y'all don't worry that it's been used. Like I said, I've already been played with the box, but I decided to do a YouTube video to show you guys. So my lids are already prepped and primed and did all that stuff, and I did my brows off camera. So now we're gonna go into the Alamar Cosmetic Palette, which looks nice. Matte Shade and Cocoa Taxi. Put this here in my crease. And you really can't see that yellow. If I would have went with the white, you would have saw it more. Okay, that color isn't really picking up. I'm going to Tropical. I'm putting that in my crease. It's nice, the pigment is there. I'm just wondering why my camera is acting crazy. A Cafecito, and now I'm gonna go a little bit lower than that orange, but I'm gonna bring it up just above my crease and blend that out with the same fluffy brush. I did not change brushes. Okay, so we already cut the crease. Okay, so I went ahead and done one eye. I had to change cameras because the other camera died on me. So again, I'm going to go ahead and do this eye, and I'm going to use the colors Veradero. Anybody know how to pronounce that word? So we got Veradero. I think these are Spanish words. El Malecon, something like that. And when we go to Spanish restaurants, my baby be trying to turn up because he know a little bit of Spanish. He be trying to show off. I be like, just say burrito. I see you trying to show off. Ooh, this blue is so nice. And like I said, misogyny is like a little, it's, you know, you blending it. Getting up to that line. So I came in with a smaller brush. And you can see it's a flat light concealer brush. That's why I feel like you can get the most pigment with these brushes. Don't go to the like fluffy brushes on this part. Use the fluffy brushes when it comes to your crease. Going into this brown shade right here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please share the video. Alright, that looks dope. Next thing in the Boxy charm, we're going to be using the Battington lashes from Battington.com. These lashes are so light. I mean, it is not heavy at all. Okay, and these are some minks. So yeah, now your girl done moved up in the world. She done moved up in the world. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Yes. And we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna be using the 3 brushes that they gave me. I mean, you know, that came in the box. So these are the 3 brushes right here. So we have the 660 brush. It's the precision foundation brush. They said you can use a cream or liquid. I know they said liquid or powder you can use with this brush, and it's the Duo Fiber. I think that meant fiber brush, Duo Fiber brush, and this is the tapered highlighter brush which I've been using, which is dope. I'm gonna mix this foundation. I'm going ahead and apply the foundation first. It doesn't sound right to try to put it on a fluffy brush like that because you'll weigh it down. I use Urban Decay because it looked like it dried down a little bit. Because you used to put it on in one shade, but okay, I got you. Oh yeah, I used to use 360, but yeah, 360 is my I mean, I haven't been going outside, so it's like it's no need for a summer shade because I've been staying indoors, so I haven't been tanning. But yeah, I'm basically contouring. I'm putting on my darker foundation first, and I'm just gonna lighten it, and it's just gonna make it look like a contour. Okay, that brush showed out. That brush showed out, honey. I was not expecting that from a brush like that, just to brighten everything up. Only thing I can think of is tapping this. Alright, I'm going with this color now. I'm going with a different color. I've been making a nice gradient effect. So we went from light to a tannish color, bringing it up. Okay, I can see this. This brush is just trying to change my life, honey. Don't worry, I know this looking a bit ashy. That's okay. We're gonna go back over it with a powder. Spoiler alert. Okay, I'm liking these brushes. Really nice. Now, brush, why are you showing out? It is shedding, I ain't gonna lie, y'all see it shedding a little bit. And we just keeping it right up in here like a little upside down triangle. Are you in focus still in your other camera? Yes, I'm in focus. Thank you, Erica. Erica, I just love you, girl. Be serious now, be serious. These brushes, they are really pulling through. You know what, I'm gonna pick up that 660 brush again when I use the liquid with, so I can set all these other places. And I'm balancing so I can get more of that pigmentation. All right, I'm gonna take this bronzer and just blend this out. Oh yeah, we're gonna hit that nose up too. Makeup for me is just serenity. It's just like a calming state to be in. You feel me, honey? You having to take your time with makeup and just play in the colors. It takes you to another place. It take you to the Caribbeans when you ain't got the money. You feel me? So you know, if you ain't got the money or the plane ticket or the ride, honey, but you got a palette and you got some makeup, honey, you can go anywhere. That's what makeup does for me. Because you can't tell me I'm not in the Caribbeans right now. You can't tell me I ain't in the, okay. You can't tell me I ain't in the Caribbeans. Okay. I'm like, hey girl, I see you over there. Okay. All right. Oh, we got to do this chest. Got to do this little highlight right up in her. Okay. Honey, she in the Caribbeans. I'm on the ship right now, honey. About to go dance with my Jamaican friends. Yes. I'm coming to see y'all, Tony. I'm coming to you right now, honey. Oh yes, this yellow. This yellow is, I know y'all like that's enough. Darn. Next on the docket, we're gonna go into Celia. Putting that green up under here because we got to tie off this eye. And what that is just gonna make everything just absorb into the skin like a good marinade, honey. You just want it to be boom, boom. We're gonna go into this Ofra liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Verona. You know, I really don't use a pencil, but we'll go over it with a pencil if we need to, because this is looking a little crazy. I ain't gonna lie, a little crazy. All right, I'm just going in and just cleaning up my brows with the brow pencil, putting it back to the areas that's kind of faded, using the pencil that came from the Boxy charm. I'm gonna go around my lip. Just because it says eyeliner or whatever don't mean you can't use it how you want to use it. I got to exfoliate these lips. Pencil feels so creamy. You can see how well it glided on. I hate when I'm using a pencil and it's just pulling up on my skin or whatever, and I'm having to drag it like with force across, almost like scraping my lip. Oh, you know what? I'm definitely going to use some orange. Oh my God. I'm going to use these two, that orange Tropico, and I'm going to use the tapered highlighter brush for my blush. Ooh, not too much, not too much. I am loving this. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Okay, y'all, so that summed it up for the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. Like, Oh my goodness, y'all. I just love this look just because I can't believe it came all into this subscription box right here. Like, they gave nothing but high quality products and I highly recommend them. The lipstick is great. This palette was great. I have nothing to say bad about this palette other than this Cocoa Taxi color right here. It didn't give me much pigmentation, but I think that's got to do a lot with the concealer I chose. However, if I would have chose a white base, I believe that would have showed up. Other than that, I mean, this palette is so dope. I can see a lot of looks coming from this palette, and the shimmer shades, oh my goodness, magnificent. Magnificent, boo. It just looks like your girl just really went to the Caribbean. Okay, she went to the Caribbean all paid in full from this palette. I mean, it really took me to the Caribbean, y'all. Bum Bum Cream, I mean, it smells good, it feels good, it just absorbs right into the skin. You can't beat it. The eyelashes are very lightweight. You know, I normally don't go for any lashes. They're very small compared to what I normally go for. I go for like drag queen like lashes. I don't know if that's like, well, it's drag queen on a like a light day, because I really go for like length. But this right here, I don't know, it got me feeling, you know, I can really see the difference. So you can't judge a lash by how it looks in the box, okay? Let me tell you about the brushes, boo. I feel like they got to do a lot of techniques and everything as well, but the brushes, they're high quality brushes, they're nice. And the lip color, this Oprah, it did well. I love that they put a brown eyeliner pencil versus a black in the bag or whatever, because it's dark brown enough for even, because I like my brows to be dark than me going and using that brown around the lips. See, you know, I feel like this palette was put together very well. I feel like it was put together very well. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this unboxing review / trying it on for the first time. Just let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if it's very helpful to you. Let me know if you would like what other videos you would like to see. If you all enjoyed this look, give me a thumbs up. Give your girl a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, family, anybody that's just trying to get, you know, all like they just came for the Caribbeans as well, you know. You know what I'm saying, boo? Yes. That sums it up for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.